Airbnb case. The problem was defined as the service is seen as a basic shared accommodation service, and from these four groups of causes were identified. The first is human relationships, in which they contribute aspects such as mistrust, the impossibility of receiving different treatment, the lack of interaction between people, and racial discrimination. The second takes into account the employees and the hosts, and is influenced by the lack of environment, waiting to make money, resistance to change, some failures in the provision of the service, and the lack of experience of the new hosts. Third are communication. They are influenced by the skeptical media, the idea that the service provided is very basic, the changes must be made in mobile applications, difficulties in entering the platform, the deteriorated image of the strategy, and critics on the concepts. And the fourth place is the strategy, and there the uncertainty in the face of the strategy influence that the strategy is not defined, the fight for regulation, the increase in competition of the part of the hotel chains, and that there is no clarity in front of the end of strategy. Thanks.